All right, welcome back for another deep dive with us.
Always exciting.
This time, we're going to be doing things a little bit differently.
Oh.
We're going to be taking a look at
Sure.
Sean from High Level and all those videos he does where
Yeah.
he's coming at you with updates.
Yeah.
I think it's safe to say that anybody who uses High Level has definitely seen a few of these.
Oh, absolutely.
And even if you don't use High Level,
Yeah.
it's a really interesting look into how SaaS companies are
Yeah.
bringing updates to their users and what
Yeah.
kinds of things people are looking for.
Totally.
So we're going to dive into a whole bunch of these updates today.
I'm excited.
And just for the record, it is coming at you, not ya.
That's right.
Sean's very clear about that.
He is.
So we've organized these a little bit thematically instead of going video by video,
Okay.
just to kind of group things.
Sounds good.
So first up, we're going to talk about everything mobile because there were a ton of updates that Sean gave us related to the high-level mobile app.
Yeah, makes sense with everybody, constantly on the go.
Being on their phones all the time these days.
For sure.
So one of the big ones that stood out was that you can now send estimates
Yeah.
and get paid directly from the app,
Huge.
which I think is really cool for a lot of people.
Imagine, you're a contractor, you're on site.
Yeah.
You can just, do the estimate, have them sign it right there on your phone.
Yeah, like, boom, done.
It's so much more efficient.
No more going back to the office
Exactly.
on your computer.
Totally streamlines the process.
Yeah.
And you look super professional, too.
And probably increases the likelihood
Oh, yeah, for sure.
of getting paid quickly.
Absolutely.
So that was a big one.
Yeah.
And then another one was the tablet point of sale system
Oh, yeah.
with hardware support.
This is a game changer, I think.
Yeah. For anybody who's out and about
Yeah.
taking payments, like if you have a pop-up shop.
Mm-hmm. Food trucks.
Yeah. Food trucks.
Even, service businesses that go to clients.
Yeah, you can take that tablet with you.
Exactly.
And then I thought there were some cool little
Yeah.
quality of life updates, like being able to share calendar links directly from your phone.
Yes. I love that.
Which is so much easier
It's so convenient.
than having to go and email it to yourself.
Exactly. You're in a meeting.
Yeah.
Somebody's like, oh, let's get on a call.
Yeah.
Boom. Share it right there. Easy.
And then one that I didn't fully understand, but maybe you can explain a little bit,
Sure.
is the custom conversation providers on mobile.
Yeah, so basically what that means is
Really?
you can now integrate with other
Okay.
communication channels. So if you use something like WhatsApp or Telegram or anything like that, you can manage those conversations
Okay.
right within the high-level app.
I got you.
So it's all about flexibility, right?
Yeah, so it's like meeting your users wherever they are,
Exactly.
which I think is a nice segue into our next category, which is making life easier,
Yeah, love that.
which is all about those updates that just make you go,
Yeah,
thank you
that's what I need.
for making my life a little bit simpler.
Totally.
So one of them was the ability to import
Yes.
ClickFunnels 2.0 steps directly into high level.
This is huge for anybody
Yeah.
who's migrated.
Especially if you're coming from ClickFunnels.
Or even if you're using both.
Yeah.
You don't have to rebuild everything.
Yeah.
You can just import it,
Sean was very excited about this one.
as he should be.
Yes.
That's a game changer.
And then it's like a little thing,
Yeah.
but they added autocomplete to address fields in forms.
Ooh.
Yes.
Small detail.
It's like, oh, I don't have to type out my whole address every time.
Big impact, though.
Yeah, it's just talking.
A nice little
Huge time saver.
time saver.
And then also for social media, you can now schedule
Yeah.
community posts through the social planner.
Love
So
that.
it's all in one place.
All centralized.
Yeah.
Keep everything organized.
Yeah, you don't have to jump around between platforms.
Nope. One-stop shop.
And then there was this workflow action
Okay.
to turn conversation AI on and off dynamically.
Yeah, that's interesting.
That one I was like,
So this is great if you have a chat bot
okay,
and you want to be able to
Like
sometimes have a real person jump in.
got it.
So you can set up specific criteria,
Okay.
and then the bot can be like, okay, I need to hand this off to a human.
So it's all automated,
Exactly.
which is really cool.
Yeah, super efficient.
So that was kind of the making life easier.
Okay.
But then what about
Yeah.
for agencies specifically?
Yeah, there were some good ones in there.
Yes.
Sean called these power-ups for agencies.
Okay.
So these are features that are going to help agencies provide more value to their clients, improve their services,
Okay.
and make more money.
All right, let's hear it.
So one of the things was enhancements to gamification.
Gamification.
Yeah.
Okay.
So within the community section,
Okay.
you can now do things like a leaderboard trigger and a point granting action.
So how would an agency use that in a practical sense?
Let's say you're managing a community for a client.
Okay.
And you want to encourage engagement.
Okay.
So you can set up a points system for activities like posting or commenting, completing challenges, things like that.
So it's like those loyalty programs that give you points for purchases.
Exactly.
Right.
But instead, you're getting points for participating in the community.
And then you can tie those points to real-world rewards.
Okay.
Like discounts,
Okay.
exclusive content, recognition on a leaderboard.
Okay, so the community is more engaged.
Exactly.
And the client sees tangible results.
Everybody wins.
Yeah.
Makes the agency look good, too.
I like it. So that's a big one.
What else?
All right, so payment processing is always a hot topic.
Okay.
High Level now has new payment gateways specifically for SaaS.
Oh, wow.
So we've got NMI, Authorize.net, and Square.
So agencies can offer their clients
More options.
more options.
Yeah, which is huge.
That's great.
Because not everybody wants to use Stripe.
Right.
They might have different needs based on their industry or location.
Makes sense.
So this gives agencies way more flexibility.
Okay.
And then a couple more technical ones, but I think they're important.
Okay.
High Level now has public APIs for blogs.
Now, remind me what an API is again?
API stands for Application Programming Interface.
Okay.
It basically allows developers to interact with software programmatically.
Got it.
So you can build custom integrations, connect High Level with other tools.
So like for a non-developer.
Okay, so imagine you want to share your blog posts to social media automatically.
Okay.
You could do that. Analyze your blog's performance. Pull your content into your own website.
Okay, cool.
All kinds of possibilities.
Awesome.
And then finally, revamp to the review post-automation.
Oh, okay.
So agencies can manage and share client reviews more effectively.
So this is kind of like the gamification thing.
It is.
But instead of points, it's reviews.
Exactly. Using social proof to build credibility, attract new clients.
So it's all automated.
It is.
Which is really cool.
Once you set it up, it runs in the background.
Okay, so we covered a lot there.
You did.
With all those updates that Sean's been coming at us with.
Sean's been busy.
But what I find interesting is like, what does this tell us about the bigger picture of SaaS?
Right. What are the trends here? Yeah, I mean, for me, one of the big takeaways is mobile first.
Yep.
You know, it's not enough to just have your software on desktop and maybe a little mobile app as an afterthought.
Right.
It needs to be, you know, users expect to have a seamless experience across all their devices.
Yeah, absolutely.
High Level's definitely putting their money where their mouth is there.
Yeah.
You know?
Makes sense. I mean, we
live on our phones.
On the go.
Yeah.
Yeah. Got to be able to run your business from your phone.
You got to be able to do everything from your phone now.
Absolutely. And it really empowers smaller businesses too.
Especially,
Because they might not have, you know, a whole team and all these resources.
Right.
But if they can do it all from their phone, that's amazing.
So it's kind of like it's leveling the playing field a bit.
Absolutely, yeah. Democratizing technology.
Yeah, but that also means
that
there's just so much out there.
It's true. It's overwhelming.
It can be very overwhelming.
Yeah.
How do you even decide what to use?
Right. And you can get caught up in the hype, you know?
It's like going into a candy store.
Yeah.
And you want to try everything, but you know you're going to get sick.
You can't eat it all.
Yeah. You have to be.
You got to be strategic. Yeah, strategic and focused.
Yeah.
Like, what is it that I actually need to run my business?
Right. What are your core business needs?
Yeah.
And then find the tools that actually address those.
Right.
Instead of just collecting a bunch of tools for the sake of it.
Okay. Yeah, I think
it's quality over quantity.
Quality over quantity, for sure. And, you know, you don't even have to do it all yourself.
That's true.
There are people that can help you.
Yeah. Agencies, consultants, even just friends who are tech savvy.
Right.
Can give you some guidance.
Yeah, I think that's a really good point.
Yeah.
It's good to have somebody else.
An outside perspective.
Yeah, just to kind of be like, hey, is this really what I need?
Right. Is this actually going to help you?
Yeah.
Or is it just a shiny object?
Exactly. And I think...
Be proactive, stay curious. The SaaS world's always changing.
Always, yeah. If there's one thing that is constant, it's change.
That's true.
When it comes to technology.
Yeah. And there's always something new to learn.
Yeah, definitely.
So keep exploring, keep experimenting.
I'm coming at you.
Keep coming at you, exactly.
With those updates.
Keep an eye on Sean. He'll tell you what's up.
So that kind of brings me to my last thought here.
All right.
Is like, we've seen all these updates.
Yeah.
We've seen the trends. We've talked about how to navigate it all.
Yeah.
But, like, what's next?
That's the big question, right?
Yeah, what is the future of SaaS?
I think it's going to be about moving beyond just giving users more power and more features.
Right.
I think it's going to be about making software truly intelligent.
Okay, now hold on a second.
I know.
Are we talking about the singularity here?
Not quite.
Oh.
But, we're seeing those early stages with AI, with automation, with all these things.
Yeah.
But imagine a future where SaaS platforms are truly proactive.
Okay.
Anticipating our needs, suggesting solutions before we even realize we need them.
So it's like they're working with us.
It's like having a virtual assistant
Yeah.
who's an expert in your business.
Okay.
Analyzing your data.
Yeah.
Identifying patterns, recommending strategies.
Yeah.
It's going from doing things faster to doing things smarter.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's where I think the real potential is.
So it's not just about automation.
It's about augmentation.
It's about augmenting
enhancing our intelligence.
our incapability.
Exactly. And I think that's incredibly exciting.
Yeah, and I think that's a great place to leave it for today.
I agree. It is. It's pretty mind-blowing when you think about it.
Yeah, it really is. So I guess it's kind of like, instead of Sean coming at you with updates,
Right.
it's like the software itself is coming at you
Yeah.
with, hey, I noticed this.
Yeah, exactly.
Or maybe you should try this.
Right. It's like having that extra brain in your business.
Yeah, like a co-pilot almost.
Absolutely. A super intelligent co-pilot.
All right, so I think we've geeked out enough
I think so, too.
on the future of sauce.
Yep.
But let's bring it back to
Back down to earth.
yeah, Sean and all these updates.
Okay, yeah.
What are some of the key takeaways?
All right. Well, one of the biggest things is mobile, right?
Yeah, mobile?
Got to be mobile first. Got to be
Sure.
able to access everything from your phone.
For sure.
And then also I think customization,
Yeah, that was a big one.
being able to tailor solutions to your specific needs.
Right, like High Level's doing a good job of providing the tools to do that.
They're giving you the building blocks to make it work for you.
And then, like you said before, just making life easier.
Yeah, always a good thing.
Removing those friction points.
Absolutely. You want your software to help you, not hinder you.
For sure.
So those are some of the big ones.
Awesome.
Yeah.
So whether you're a high-level user or not,
Mm-hmm.
I think those are some things that we can all take away
Yeah, I agree.
and apply to our businesses.
Absolutely. Stay curious. Stay informed.
And just keep an eye on what's happening
Keep coming at you.
in the world.
Exactly.
Awesome. Well, if you want to check out
Yes.
the actual Sean coming at you videos,
Yes, go see Sean in action.
you can find links in the show notes.
We got you covered.
And of course, if you want to learn more about High Level, we've got a link for that too.
Absolutely.
And be sure to let us know what you think.
Yeah, we love hearing from you.
What other deep dives you want to see?
What are you curious about?
Exactly.
Let us know.
Until then, keep exploring and keep those innovative ideas flowing.
Keep coming at you.